Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we will create some meteors which will be a threat for our ship. We won't implement collision logic yet, we will only make them appear, move and rotate. So let's get started. First you have to find and add this to images. This one and this one. Now let's create some fields. Our images URLs, image view arrays, and random position generator, which will be initialized in the constructor. Now we are going to write a method which will create game elements. At the moment it will create only meteors. Later on we will add some more content. I am going to create only 3 brown and 3 gray meteors. If you want to make your game harder, feel free to generate more of them. We initialize our meteor arrays. And fill them with meteor image views. We do the same for gray meteors array. Now let's create a method which will give our meteors a random position. And let's use it. we need a method which will make our meteors move. After JavaFX shows us a new frame, we want to move our meteors a little bit down and rotate them. Set rotate. We do the same for gray meteors. Last method we are about to implement in this video is going to check if our meteors are below the screen, and if so, relocate them over the top. We will use previously created set new elements position. Now let's call these methods. And now let's check if everything works properly. Cool, everything works. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do it. Please hit the like button and see you in the next video.